Sir, my last question is tungkol doon sa tayo dito, naintindihan natin yan. Kami on our part sa budgeting, kayo on the part of implementation ng project. Yun lang yung gusto ko lang tanungin kayo kung paano maiwasan yung mga comment ng mga tao, yung ordinaryong tao na magbabagulbol. Sa Bisaya, yung bagulbol, yung nagbumurmur ba? Sabihin na, ano ba itong DPWH? Yung kalsadang ito, matibay pa, maganda pa, binubungkal na. Tapos yung sirang-sira na kalsada doon, hindi ginagawa, hindi inaayos. Yung mga ganong question. We've been questioning that. Kahit ako nagtatanong ko, bakit inuna itong sinira na okay pa man ito. Sinira na para ayusin. Tapos yung sa unahan, part ng kalsada, sirang-sira talaga. Dapat yun ang ayusin natin. So yun lang. Alam mo kung maliliit na bagay lang yan, pero irritating on the part of the public ang makita na may magkukuhin pa na, sayang ang pera ng gobyerno dito. Hindi pa sira, binubungkal na, ayusin na. Tapos yung sira, hindi inaayos. Ganun lang. Paano natin maiwasan yan? Alam ko, doon na sa district level na yan, siguro yung programming, kung anong unahin, anong mahuli. Pero yun lang, sana maiwasan natin yung ganun. Yun lang nga, sir. Kung anong masasagot mo dyan? Thank you.
Well, thank you, Your Honor. It's a very technical issue actually, yung issue, yung ganyan, it is actually preventive maintenance and reconstruction, yung pinag-uusapan po natin dito. Kasi there is a point when the road starts to deteriorate, and it would be more economical actually to undertake yung preventive maintenance. Kaya yung medyo maganda-ganda pa ang tingin ninyo, but actually the pavement starts to deteriorate. So it will be more economical actually to repave it at that point in time so that we can save actually yung base and sub-base. Hindi na ho na natin gagalawin yung base and sub-base. It's just the pavement that we're going to replace. Yung sa mga kwan ho naman, yung talagang deteriorated and bumagsak na po yung base and sub-base, that's going to be reconstructed po. So it's going to take yung mas malaking rehabilitation, reconstruction ang gagawin doon. So, yun po lang yung ma-explain namin. In layman's term, yun po yung ginagawa namin. We have to prevent the further deterioration of the sub-base and base before anything else. So, we are just going to replace yung running course lang naman ho. Now, yung talagang bumagsak na po, yung nakikitang talagang worst na worst, that has to be reconstructed.
Thank you for that explanation, sir. Matutulungan ko kayo mag-explain. Ako na rin mismo mag-explain doon sa mga tao pag mayroong nagbagulbol doon. I will explain to them na ganito yung explanation yan. Ganito. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that explanation.
Salamat
And
po,
Mr. Chairman,